What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Please, no judgment on what is going on, but with these lashes on, I can't push my glasses back too far, so, and I'm blind, so I need to be able to see what I'm doing. A twist out, and I wanted to follow NAPTURAL85 because her twist out always be coming out fire, and I'm tired of the way my wash and goes look. I'm really just over it. I feel like they're not looking as, I don't know, and I kind of want to like branch off and get back into wearing more stretch styles. I feel like when I wear stretch styles, it just gives me more like, oh, as you guys can see, I'm just getting annoyed with these lashes. NAPTURAL85's twist out routine. If you guys want to see that video, I will link it down below. But before we get into that video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button and down below, and let's get right into the video. Do my hair. I already washed it. I actually did a hot oil treatment today, washed it, deep conditioned, all that good stuff. And now it's just basically, I wanted to film for you guys how I'm going to twist my hair. So I'm just going to clip this away. I do have a leave-in in my hair as well. I use the As I Am coconut leave-in conditioner so far with just that product in it. I feel like they feel so soft and they look so moisturized. So then I'm just gonna take the twist elongating style cream that she used in her video. Now when she was using it, she did say it's like a buildable, so I'm gonna take about that much and just add it to the section. Or styling type of thing. I always used it for like a wash and go, so that's why I wanted to come on camera today as well and see how it works as a styler. I'm just gonna add probably like that much more. I don't want to add too much because I really don't want this to take 100 days to dry, because as we know, that's how natural hair does. It takes forever to dry, and that's mad annoying. I'm gonna add probably a dash of oil. Like, she used enough on her hair. She used a little bit too, but I think I'm just gonna use like, that's it, like 2 drops. You could barely see it. And the reason why I want to add it just like basically focusing on my ends is because that's like the driest part of my hair, being that I am color treated. And if you want to see how I got that, this color, that video is doing so effing good, y'all. Thank you for everybody who ever watched that video. Like, that video is doing so good, and I'm so proud that that is coated. I'm just gonna do a twist, a 2-strand twist. Ooh, a little knot. Hold up, no 2-strand twist yet. And when you're doing this, you really want to make sure your hair is smooth and has no tangles, because like in her video, she said like you just want to make sure everything is nice and smooth, because that's how you get the best definition and volume. Now, one trick she did tell me when doing twist outs is that like if you see like a little bit of frizz, which I feel like I do see a little bit right here, I'm gonna just undo it at that point and then go back in and retwist it. And then the hairs should fall in line. And put it in a bantu knot until I am ready to stretch it. Okay. So this is a perfect time, if you haven't already, to like detangle. And I think that's key, like in this as well, is to make sure you detangle, because if you have any like kinky strands, or if you have any like knots, it's not going to be as easy to like twist. And I'm not gonna lie, I used to use a brush back in the day to like make it smooth, and you can do that. You could use your Demon brush if you want to like smooth it out, but I feel like I'm trying to limit the amount of breakage and hair tugging, so that's why you haven't seen me use a brush to like detangle, because I feel like I like to finger detangle. There we go. 3 done. So I'm gonna come back on camera when this side is finished, and I'm gonna show you guys how natural kind of stretch these twists out just to get elongated twist as well as volume. So I'll be right back once I'm done with this side. All right, y'all, finished the other side of my head. That took about like 10 minutes to do this entire, like 15 minutes to really do the style and like explain to y'all. But now that I'm done, I'm just gonna stretch the twist. So I'm gonna be careful and take this out and make sure that the twist is still like tight when I take it out. And then the way she did it was she took it over this side and pinned it up like this. Twist it tight. And then come over and pin it. It's so pretty. Struggling to it. And we're in. And we're in. Okay. Then I'm taking it to the side. I'm really twist it tight. And then come bring it to the side. And pin it. Pick up, pick up. Hey, that's on chart. See what I say. It's like, she makes it so easy. It's gonna say, woo! Say, okay, next. That's the wrong one, this way. Take this one down. And pick up. And last but not least, this one. Twist it again. Twist it, twist it, twist it, twist it. Twist it, okay. Get your pen, pen it. My hand's running. I can't get the pen. Voila! Done. Okay. Now that we're done, we're just gonna let this dry. I'll probably leave this in for like a day and a half, probably. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all because I'm not taking this out tomorrow. I'm definitely gonna leave this in. I'm probably just gonna swoop my edges for now because I am about to leave the house. Do the reveals. I can't wait. Hope you guys like this video so far. Give this video a thumbs up if you have learned anything so far. If you guys like this technique, if you watched this video up until this point, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's just wait and see the results. Wait till the end of this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in a couple of days. Peace. So please don't judge me because I know y'all see my mouth look funny, but it's just I just came from the dentist and I really need to film this for you guys. I look so crazy. I look so crazy. My mouth is so numb, like y'all can see right here. I wanted to film this for you guys because it's been like 3 days already, and this is what my hair is looking like. The one thing I'm having a problem with is volume. Like I didn't pick it yet, but I have separated like some of my curls, and I'm just feeling like I like the length, but everything else is just not it's not hitting. As you guys can see, I'm trying to like separate my hair a little bit more, where it kind of just separates naturally and not like me forcing it. Isn't it funny when you go to the dentist, like how your mouth is just so numb? That feeling is just so weird. Like, ugh, I had to get a fill-in, and she's talking about maybe a root canal. I'm like, girl, one thing at a time, please. Okay, yeah, I'm just like separating, I guess, just to get a little bit more volume, because it's just like my twist outs dead be so like defined, as you can see. Like, they be defined, but it just isn't like voluptuously out there, like, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is just how my hair looks right now. It doesn't look too bad. I know y'all probably think like, girl, it look crazy, but I feel like right now, like, it doesn't look too bad. I just, like I said, it's just like, it's not as voluptuous and like, oh my god, like over the top beautiful like I know it can be. Like, it's just falling super flat. So what I'm about to do really quick is just hop off camera, head into the bathroom, because you know when you in the bathroom and you in your zone and you getting it together, that's when things come alive. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that really quick, and then come back on camera and give you guys my final thoughts. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So today's lesson is that if you want volume, separate. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? It looks so good. It looks so good. It feels mad good. I'm trying not to touch it too much. I like it. I like it. I'm not 1000%, because I did say I don't like the real crinkly, like tight curl look. She always want to play with her loudest toy when I'm filming. I think she does that on purpose. Kai. For real? She's dead ass. It's not too bad. It's not my fave, but I will try her method again and just like figure out how it works for me. Show y'all my hair before my camera died. So yeah, it's there. I like it. I'm not 1000%, but I do like it. I think I'm gonna get used to it, and I think the more I wear it out, it'll get bigger. But it's kind of hot outside, and I'm probably not gonna wear it out too much. Plus, I'm trying to like eliminate the amount of times I wear my hair out, just to avoid like breakage and stuff like that, and just keep my hair off my shoulders. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the result of this natural inspired video. I hope you guys like this video. All the details that I use in this video, all the products I use, will be down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. I hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys back in my next video. Peace out.